Just singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain.
It's not me now, it's Juliet. So let's focus on Juliet.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, I got something in my backpack. What the heck? Oh, bye, buddy. Oh, honey.
Ooh, it's dripping. The trees are dripping.
Well,
I can't see any of this.
Okay.
Okay, back to the backpack. Oh, what do we name this bridge?
Brown.
The Whispering Widows Bridge, right?
Yeah.
And the Tunnel of Terror, right?
Yeah, it can be the horror of that. What? I forget the name. What name? This is me on my bike. There we go. Bridge.
You guys want to go through the creepy bridge or the tunnel today?
Yeah.
We can go to the creepy tunnel.
Yeah, I want to go through here and then go through the
Ooh,
here at a long time.
spooky. You guys gonna make ghost sounds? Uh-oh. Oh, backwards. Whoa.
Oh my god! This moved on my tail.
Holy cow.
Holy butt cheeks.
Let's go this way to this bridge. See where it takes us.
You know that I said in the tank?
What?
Oh, there's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel. You cannot hug squirrels.
One time they bite me.
Yeah.
You remember that time, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw it fell in that lake thing down there. The squirrel was like The squirrel was like this. Mom.
Yeah.
Mom. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Put the camera on me. The squirrel was like this. He
Yeah.
was in the woods.
Yeah.
And then he just fell right into the lake.
Yeah. Where's this path go? We're gonna have to call Daddy and have him come pick us up.
Yeah.
Be like, we're lost. We don't know where we're at.
Well, I know the way back home.
Yeah, if we're in a car.
Well, we can just go through there and then all the way back to our house.
We can't cross. There's no sidewalks. We're screwed.
Oh,
You know.
yeah. How do you know?
I know these things.